Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Man, that was one of the best card slams I've ever had. Oh, that was satisfying. What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. Obviously, we've got a new Civivi. I have not opened this box yet. I opened the packaging that it came in, which included some other stuff, right? But I wanted to, kind of isolate and just do a video on this one. By the time you guys are seeing this, this knife should be available right now. So that I'm going to link it right down below so that you guys can check it out. I have not actually opened this yet. I'm saving that moment for you guys. Thanks to we/Civivi for sending us in for me to take a look at. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay, let's actually get into it. I saw the name on the outside, which is confusing, but that's not, it wouldn't necessarily be the first time I've been confused by a knife. It's called the Odd 22. All right, black G10 handle, silver bead blasted 14C28N blade. Sounds interesting on paper. Let's find out what we've actually got here. The Odd 22. Why is it called that? All right. I mean, extremely straightforward. It is a liner lock. It is G10. It is a flipper, and it flips well. We have thumb studs, and the thumb studs I think are pretty good. Are they a little bit? I don't know if I want to call them volcano-y. I think they're all right. What's interesting is it's very shallow in here. The access to the liner, just a little bit. I mean, these are minor complaints. Honestly, here's what I'm hoping. Just after handling it for 1 second, this is a pretty straightforward knife in 14C28N. My hope is that what they're doing here is trying to simplify the overall construction of the knife, so that they can get a 14C28N blade. I'm having trouble talking tonight. So that they can get a knife with a 14C28N blade down even lower than what they've had it at. I'm hoping that that's the case, because this feels very simple. Boy, it is really smooth. This is, in here, I'm noticing that it feels, not that Civivi is ever not consistent, but this feels a little bit even more consistent than Civivi generally is. Yeah, it feels okay. Flipper tab's a little bit, it's not pokey, it's just very small, and then the angles are just kind of abrupt. But yeah, it feels pretty good. I'm really hoping that this is pretty inexpensive. And I mean, I hope that this is like impressively inexpensive. We have peel ply texture G10. This is not a review, by the way, guys. It's just general observations that anybody could make after opening a knife up for the first time. Can't really review it until after I kind of carry it and use it for a little bit. Yeah, peel ply texture G10. No bald spot under the clip, but I don't really think it needs it. I mean, a quick in and out of the pocket, you got to fight it a little bit. I know you can't see it, but you just take my word for it. They still have the damn, like this all right here. This is fine. Ah, why? Why are we still going? Oh, and then they come over like making it grabby so that when you walk by something that's got a lip, it grabs it and it bends out, right? Just here. That's all we need, right? Recessed screws, I like that. The clip itself is not recessed. A couple of standoffs. We got the bar for the lanyard. You guys liking the 4K? Is the detail on the texturing? Are we happy with this? Is this pleasing? Does this please you? Yes, the detail on my clearly unkempt fingernails. The quality of the Metal Complex YouTube channel is ever apparent. Okay. Other than that, we have the same Civivi logo. Just kidding. Who's the, why is it? Man, that looks familiar. I'm being dumb right now. I'm being so dumb. Can we take a moment to, I'm sorry. I don't know why I'm not remembering that logo. We'll take a moment to appreciate that Civivi has a little bit more work in their edge than some companies making knives in the multi-$100 tier. Let's get a piece of paper here real quick and do a little cut test on paper. Doesn't prove much other than what a blade with this geometry sharpened like this, how it will perform on something like paper. Yeah. Extremely, I mean, you know, it's like I always say, it's not an open L. But very, I mean, yeah, very controlled cuts there. And probably, see if we can stiffen her up there, get some, come on now, focus, you get a little curly Q action going on. Real nice. Basically what you expect of a Civivi knife. Again, like I said, I'm hoping that the ultra simple and fairly lackluster construction, it's not, I mean, like, this is fine. And honestly, truthfully, it's enough different from a Civivi. I mean, it's real simple. It's not something we've never seen before. But the lines for Civivi are actually a little bit different. They actually did not do a perfectly straight handle or a perfectly straight blade. They actually did kind of a clip point here, right? Or a Persian, almost that, right? More of an hourglass handle shape. Ergonomics are all right. My pinky's fallen off the edge just a little bit. Not bad. Action, seriously, the action on this is, I mean, it's not falling shut any faster than other Civivis. I'm just saying the consistency inside the pivot, for whatever reason, on this guy feels a little bit smoother. Out of the box. Nice centering. Yeah, okay. Odd 22. All right. It should be available right now. You guys will definitely get a full comprehensive review of this knife after I've carried it and used it for, I don't know, maybe like a day or two. It doesn't really take, I mean, I feel like anybody could review a knife after carrying it for just a little bit, right? I mean, you don't need to take it out and split wood with it or survive in the rainforest for a month to be able to tell people basically what they need to know about the knife. So that's what I'll do. I'll make sure and give you that. This is available. I'll link it down below. I think I said that 3 times now. Sorry. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex if you enjoyed this video. Leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.